Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about my other hobby. I haven't brought it up before, but I'm into home automation, particularly Home Assistant. I've been into it for about 6 years now, and it's an addicting hobby. I control pretty much every electronic device in my house, and I'm just going to give you a screenshot. It's going to do a screen recording of my setup. I'll leave the comments open. Let me know what you think. If this is something that you guys are interested in, I'll start making videos of showing you how to get going with Home Assistant. Stay tuned. Let me get this screen share program going. Stand by. All right, I'm back. So I'm this guy right here. So if you look at the top here, I've got tabs across the top. This is my home page for Home Assistant, which is this. That's their logo. You can go online and Google them. I'll drop a link in the description of what Home Assistant, what it is. And in a nutshell, it's an open source software of a group of people that build and share code openly and willingly across whoever's interested to build your own Home Assistant platform on an old PC, a Raspberry Pi, Docker container. The installation options are vast. You can pick your choice, whatever is easiest for you. For me, I've always been a bare metal Home Assistant operating system person, only because that's what I learned on, and that's what I've stuck with. I run it on an old PC. I'll show you something similar to what I'm using, but something like this would work perfect. An old Lenovo i5 or i7 processor. It's working great for me. I run everything in one of those little PCs. I have Home Assistant running as an operating system, and inside Home Assistant there's add-ons. I have surveillance add-on running with a separate add-on that does object detection, facial recognition, a whole bunch of stuff. And I can run automations based off of any of those triggers. So if somebody comes up in my driveway, here on this camera, if a person walks up this driveway, facial recognition recognizes that it's me, it could automatically open the garage door. Or if my doorbell camera recognizes somebody walking up to the front door here, it could automatically ring the doorbell before they even get to the door. There's so many possibilities, and I don't want this video to be too long, but if this is something you guys would like me to teach you on, of things that I've done to make this all work, drop a comment, let me know what you're interested in. This is my garage page, Mike's Mods. I'm up to 158 YouTube subscribers. Thanks to you guys. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, share. None of my videos are perfect, but none of us are perfect. So anyway, I'm going to keep this video pretty short, so please like and subscribe. Appreciate it.